Okay, hello, how's everyone doing? If you're wondering why I'm wearing a load of layers, it's because it's like 0 degrees outside, but that's besides the point because no one asked. Anyway, I am back and I'm here with another little car video, and I'm about to install this fake fucking shit thing. It's meant to be a dash cam. I don't know how well it's gonna work because I haven't like booted it up or anything, but should be simple enough to install. Even a fucking moron like me can't fuck this up. So yeah, I think this is a great little start to like doing some more car videos in the future. So yeah. Anyway, if you're wondering why it's already on the stand, basically, I was having a fiddle with it last night. I just wanted to see what it looked like. And for some reason, instead of putting the stand on normally, see that little thing there? I was just shoving it in there. And then it's obviously all wiggly and loose. Like, look, that'll just easily come off. And for some reason, my brain wasn't telling me, like, yo, maybe you should flip it over and put the other side in. I literally, it took me about half an hour fiddling with it, and then like another 5 minutes for a YouTube video to see how to put it on. So yeah, I say it's going to be simple, but it might be a long day. Who knows? I guess without talking much further, I should just get into it. Life could be a dream, life could be a dream. Ah, you bitch! Life could be a dream, life could be a dream.
Life could be a dream if I could take you up in paradise up above. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream. Sweetheart, hello, hello again. Shaboom, and open we'll meet again. Boom, ding dong, ding dong, a lang, a lang, a lang. Oh, 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 bip, a bip, a dip. Oh, life could be a dream if only all my precious plans would come true. If you would let me spend my whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart.
You're good enough angle, help me, help me. Retard, I'm a fucking retard. Bombaclat. I'm a bitch, I'm pulling it through here. Ooh, baby, get on the beat. Switch please. Cocaine, cowboy click, make my nun shake. Okay, so you join me from the back seat and just fucking look at it. Just look at it. It's not bad, is it? For like 15 quid or whatever it was. I don't know how good it's picking up, but it actually is pretty decent. So yeah, you got the 1080 and the beanie weenie and the singy wingy and all that shit. So now you join me in the front seat and fucking check this. Look at that shit. It lights up, but look, that's fucking sick, isn't it? It's borderline clear, so it'll do the job. Okay, so don't worry about my shaky hands. You join me 2 days later, and I'm just doing some errands, you know, the usual. And I thought I'd give a little update on this fucking nifty little dash cam. Look how sick it is for like 15 quid. It's not bad, innit? So like, you can't go wrong. Look, it's picking everything up, quite clear. You can see it's pretty good quality, not the best, but you know what, for a dash cam it's pretty good. So yeah, it's recording right now. All is smooth, all is well, nothing's fucked up as of yet. So yeah, I highly recommend one of these. Like, you can't go wrong. You can pick one up for dirt cheap. You don't need to go get some sick one. And yeah, it basically does the same job, doesn't it? Look at that, another focus in the back. Hello, hello. Anyway, so yeah, I think I'm gonna call it there. There's not really much to talk about, is there? It's a pretty good dash cam. It's cheap, it runs well. I'll let you know if it's reliable in future, since I've already had it like, what, 2 days now. So yeah, pretty good. I would recommend one. It saves you a lot of hassle if you ever get into an accident, God forbid. So I hope you guys did enjoy this. I don't know how you would, but let's hope you did. There'll be more car videos in the future. I'm trying to get more accessories. I want to get a cold air filter. I need to get some more RGB lights for the floors and whatnot, because mine fucking broke on me. So yeah, there should be quite a bit of car accessory videos to come in the future. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one.